it really matters not. One of the really interesting things that you can do for folks in your community is actually create something like this, like a calendar that actually has some sort of, kind of date reference on a, obviously a regular basis. In this case, the way we're doing it is on a daily basis. And then you essentially just teach your prospective clients directly from the notes. And essentially, you can give what, again, what we're doing is creating two versions of this. One is the version that actually has my own notes on what we're doing every day over the course of May to build a tinybookabout.com, our new publishing platform for authors in the mindfulness and mental health space. And the other copy that we're giving folks is a copy for themselves. So they can either, follow our notes and guides on a daily basis, or they can actually, kind of diverge and do their own thing, or take the best ideas that we're working on from the copy that you're getting from us and creating your own that is more that conforms more to your own particular goals and objectives. All right. So if you're creating a course in the spring for whatever niche that you're targeting, it doesn't have to be this sort of like major endeavor. It can be something this simple, step by step, using calendar sort of tools like this that cover, your daily activities in a very stepwise fashion, and then just deliver it on the platform of your choosing. Again, it could be WooCommerce, it could be Gumroad, Shopify, Lemon Squeezy, Teachable. It doesn't really matter. This is our Tiny Book About platform, and I'm going to be covering all of this in our course community if you're interested in joining us in May. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Don't overcomplicate it. Use simple tools that really do deliver folks, transformative